In this edition of the MORI screencast, we will discuss the voucher system. Vouchers are forms used to authorize and create a record of expenses. MORI uses vouchers to apply expenses to your budget. To access the voucher screen, go to Financial on the MORI menu and select Vouchers. That will bring you to this screen. In this section, you will be able to view any existing vouchers that have been issued during the current budget period. You can also view vouchers from previous budget periods by selecting the period here. To add a new voucher, click the Add button here. On this page, you will create the voucher and make the budget allocation. First, you will need to give the voucher a number. You should come up with an easy-to-remember system for numbering. We recommend using a 3-digit and year combination. So for example, we would give the voucher the number 001-2009. Do not use any commas, hyphens, or other punctuation. You will notice that the number appears on the right-hand side of the screen. This is your preview section and will show you how your voucher should look when printed. Now enter the date of the voucher. If you know the check number, you can enter it here. If you don't, you may leave this area blank. Enter the name of the person or organization that will be receiving the check here, just as it should appear on the check. Enter the amount here. Do not enter a $sign. Enter the purpose of the voucher, such as reimbursement, here. Once a voucher has been created, you cannot delete it, but you can void it here. We'll go over editing and voiding existing vouchers in a minute. Now, if you have created budget categories and budget items, you can allocate the voucher to your budget in this section. To learn how to manage your budget, view our budget screencast. If you have not created budget categories, you do not need to fill in this section. If you have, then you must use this section. You can allocate a voucher to as many budget items as you need to in this section. Just make sure that the total amounts equal the amount of the voucher. For this example, we'll allocate $50 to printing and stationery, $25 to postage, and $25 to supplies. If you need to allocate the voucher to more than 3 items, click the Save button here. A new field for additional allocations will appear. If you don't want to add another allocation, clicking Save will save your voucher and apply it to your budget. If you want to create another voucher, click Add Another here. If you want to print a copy of the voucher for your treasurer, click the Print button underneath the preview here. That will open a PDF file of your voucher which you can then send to your printer. To edit or void a voucher, go back to Financial and select Voucher again. This will bring you back to the list of vouchers from the current period. Click the Edit button next to the voucher you wish to change. You can now change the voucher just as if it were new. If you want to void the voucher, click Yes next to Void. Now save the voucher. When voided, the voucher will be taken out of your budget calculations. You can also run a report of all vouchers made out to a specific payee within a specified period. Go back to the main voucher screen and click Reports. Enter the beginning date of the specified period, enter the ending date, enter the payee's name, and click Search. That will produce a PDF document listing all the vouchers made out to that payee within the period you specified. And those are the MORI voucher features. Our next screencast will cover the cash book functions.